All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe an advertisement that you don't like. Yes.
Well, I generally don't like advertisements because they are a waste of time. But I recently saw an ad that is about a toilet cleaner. It is the ad in which an company 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 it is the ad in which a company seller goes to the household and household owner and insists them that they bought their products. Well, normally, I watched the television, and this is the time they saw their ad, and this irritates so much. In this, there are two main reasons why I hate this advertisement. First, the that in this while I watching while I eating the food, dirty seats they shown the seats. Sir,
Okay,
correct.
it's a minute. So you need to organize your answer and come up with your own idea. This toilet cleaner is there in the book. So you need to come up
Some
with something else. Instead of toilet cleaner, you can talk about anything else, right?
okay.
So come up with your own ideas. Second, you need to have more ideas to elaborate your points and use extended vocabulary. Extended vocabulary means whatever the topic is. For example, your topic is describe an advertisement that you don't like. So you should know the vocabulary for advertisement, and you should know the words like I don't like, I hate, I dislike, right? I don't feel comfortable, I become uncomfortable, like these words, okay? They will bring you good bench score. So practice all the topics, huh? Thank you.